مرحبا مرحبا يا شهر رمضان، مرحبا 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 يا شهر الخير والبركة والإحسان، مرحبا مرحبا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's your brother Hamid Sharif, and we are here live at Masjid Ibn Uthaymeen on 65th and Elmwood. We got some of the greatest news, alhamdulillah. Our brother Steven Jackson, the former NBA player, he's in town, and he's decided to come join us at our community to embrace the religion of Islam.
وغلقت فيك أبواب النيران.
Bear witness and I testify
That there is none
there is none
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
except for Allah the Almighty.
except for Allah the Almighty.
And I bear witness and testify
And I bear witness and testify
that Prophet Muhammad,
that Prophet Muhammad,
peace and blessings be upon him,
peace and blessings be upon him,
is his slave
is his slave
and his messenger
and his messenger
and the final messenger.
and the final messenger.
With that, brother, you are a Muslim.
رمضان بحرمة القرآن وبحرمة شهر رمضان وبحرمة محمد سيد بني الإنسان.